Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting video where we explore the wonders of nutrition and health. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of chia seeds. These tiny seeds might look unassuming, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. These little guys have exploded in popularity, and for good reason. From smoothies to salads, chia seeds are making their way into all kinds of dishes. But did you know that just 1 ounce of chia seeds packs a whopping 11 grams of fiber? That's right, 11 grams. That's almost half your daily recommended intake. Imagine getting nearly half of your fiber needs from just a small serving. We're going to break down why these tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, loaded with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. We'll explore their impressive health benefits, including how they can support digestive health, boost energy levels, and even aid in weight management. Plus, we'll share some fun, easy ways to add them to your diet. Whether you're a health enthusiast, looking to switch up your routine, or just curious about the hype, this video is for you. Chia seeds are versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of meals and snacks. Stay tuned as we unlock the incredible power of chia seeds. We'll also touch on how to grow your own chia plants at home, making it even easier to enjoy their benefits. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't constitute medical advice. Always do your own research and consult with a healthcare professional. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult your doctor before making dietary changes. Now, let's get started on this journey to better health with chia seeds. Okay, so what exactly are chia seeds? These little nutritional powerhouses come from the Salvia hispanica plant, a member of the mint family. Native to Central and South America, chia seeds have a rich history dating back thousands of years. We're talking ancient civilizations here, people. These tiny seeds, often black or white, were a staple food for ancient Aztec and Mayan cultures. They were so valued that they were even used as currency. Imagine trading chia seeds for goods and services. That's how important they were. Mayan warriors, known for their strength and endurance, relied heavily on chia seeds for energy and sustenance during long journeys and battles. They called chia running food, and for a good reason. These tiny seeds provided long-lasting energy, keeping them going strong. Today, chia seeds are experiencing a resurgence in popularity as people rediscover their incredible health benefits. From athletes seeking a natural performance booster to health-conscious individuals looking to add a nutritional punch to their diet, chia seeds have gone global. But why are they called chia anyway? The word chia comes from the Aztec word chayan, which means oily. This is because chia seeds were traditionally pressed to extract their oil, which was used for various purposes, including cooking and even cosmetics. So, from ancient rituals to modern kitchens, chia seeds have certainly made their mark on history. They're a testament to the power of nature and the wisdom of ancient cultures in recognizing their value. Alright, let's talk nutrition. Chia seeds are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. Just a quick glance at their nutritional profile will tell you why they're considered a superfood. We're talking fiber, protein, healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and antioxidants. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining our overall health and well-being. And the best part? You don't need to eat a mountain of chia seeds to reap the benefits. A little goes a long way. One of the standout nutrients in chia seeds is omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. They're known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their vital role in brain, heart, and eye health. Now, while chia seeds are a plant-based source of omega-3s, it's important to note that ALA needs to be converted into other forms of omega-3s, EPA, and DHA for our bodies to fully utilize them. This conversion process can be limited, so it's always a good idea to include other sources of EPA and DHA in your diet, such as fatty fish like salmon or supplements. Hold on to your hats, folks, because chia seeds are fiber superstars. Just 1 ounce packs a whopping 11 grams of fiber, which is almost half of the recommended daily intake for adults. That's right, almost half. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to our stools, promotes regularity, and helps prevent constipation. But that's not all. Fiber also plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, lowering cholesterol levels, and keeping us feeling full and satisfied after meals. This makes chia seeds an excellent choice for people looking to manage their weight or improve their blood sugar control. And as if that wasn't enough, chia seeds are also a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. For all you active individuals out there, chia seeds are an excellent source of plant-based protein to support muscle growth and recovery after workouts. They're also a great option for vegetarians and vegans who may need to be mindful of getting enough protein in their diets. Okay, so we know chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses, but how do those nutrients translate into real health benefits? Well, get ready to be amazed because research suggests that incorporating chia seeds into your diet can lead to some pretty impressive improvements in your overall health and well-being. We're talking about potential benefits for heart health, weight management, blood sugar control, bone health, and even reduced risk of certain chronic diseases. Now, it's important to note that while many studies have shown promising results, more research is always being done. But the evidence we have so far is definitely exciting. Let's start with heart health. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which have been linked to improved heart health. Omega-3s help lower bad cholesterol levels and triglycerides, reducing the risk of heart disease. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels and keeps blood pressure in check, while antioxidants protect against damage from free radicals. Studies have even shown that regular consumption of chia seeds may help lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. Now, for those of you looking to manage your weight, chia seeds can be your new best friend. Remember all that fiber we talked about? Well, it works wonders for weight management. Chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. This makes them a great addition to smoothies, yogurt, or even just mixed with water. Plus, the protein in chia seeds helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. So, incorporating chia seeds into your diet might just give you that extra edge in your weight management journey. Speaking of blood sugar, chia seeds are a true superhero when it comes to regulating blood sugar levels. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in chia seeds slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. This is especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Studies have shown that consuming chia seeds can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Last but not least, let's talk about bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which are essential minerals for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Calcium is a building block of bones, while phosphorus helps the body absorb and use calcium effectively. Magnesium plays a crucial role in bone formation and density. Adequate intake of these minerals is essential for preventing osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures. So, adding chia seeds to your diet is a great way to support your bone health and keep your skeleton strong and healthy for years to come. Alright, now that you know all about the incredible benefits of chia seeds, you're probably wondering how to actually incorporate them into your daily routine. Don't worry, it's super easy. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be added to a wide variety of dishes without overpowering their flavor. One of the easiest ways to enjoy chia seeds is by making chia pudding. Simply mix a quarter cup of chia seeds with a cup of your favorite milk. Almond milk, coconut milk, or even regular milk work great. And some sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Let it sit in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, and voila! Looking for more ways to get your daily dose of chia? These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and can be incorporated into your diet in a variety of delicious ways. No problem. Sprinkle them on top of your salads, yogurt, or even your favorite smoothie bowl for an extra crunch and nutritional boost. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile. Add them to your oatmeal for a hearty breakfast that will keep you full for hours. The seeds absorb liquid and expand, giving your oatmeal a thicker, more satisfying texture. You can also add them to smoothies for a thicker texture and added nutrients. The seeds blend well, so you won't even notice they're there. But your body will thank you for the extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They add a subtle nutty flavor that complements fruits and vegetables perfectly. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, try using chia seeds as an egg replacement in baking. This is a great option for vegans or anyone looking to reduce their cholesterol intake. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for a few minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. This chia egg can then be used in place of 1 regular egg in many recipes, like pancakes, muffins, or even veggie burgers. The gel helps bind ingredients together, making it a perfect substitute. Imagine biting into a fluffy pancake or a moist muffin, knowing that it's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Chia seeds can also be used to make veggie burgers more cohesive and nutritious. Remember, a little goes a long way with chia seeds, so start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake as needed. They are highly absorbent and can expand up to 12 times their weight in liquid. And as with any dietary changes, it's always a good idea to listen to your body and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns. Keeping a food journal can also help you track how chia seeds are affecting your diet and overall health. So there you have it, folks. We've taken a deep dive into the fascinating world of chia seeds. We've explored the incredible world of chia seeds, from their ancient origins as a staple in Aztec and Mayan diets to their modern-day superfood status. These tiny seeds pack a nutritional punch, offering a wealth of health benefits. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and essential minerals. From boosting heart health and aiding in weight management to improving digestive health and providing sustained energy, chia seeds are a versatile addition to any diet. They also help in regulating blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining steady energy throughout the day, and they contribute to stronger bones due to their high calcium content. Whether you're a health enthusiast, an athlete, or simply looking to enhance your diet, incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to nourish your body from the inside out. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking. The possibilities are endless. Remember, start small, experiment with different recipes, and find what works best for you. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, so they are perfect for making puddings and thickening sauces. As always, this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't constitute medical advice. It's important to listen to your body and make dietary changes that suit your individual needs. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, please consult with your doctor before making any dietary changes. Your health professional can provide personalized advice based on your unique health profile. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content that can benefit everyone. Subscribe to my channel for more informative content on nutrition, wellness, and healthy living. We have a lot of exciting topics lined up that you won't want to miss, and share it with your friends and family. Spread the knowledge and help others discover the amazing benefits of chia seeds. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the amazing world of nutrition. There's always something new to learn and try. See you in the next video.